Ambulance. Not in gear, we're in gear now. We're just taking it for a quick little drive to see what it goes like.
Oh, it's so long.
It's huge.
Oh.
Come on, muscle day. Oh no, who parked that trailer there? You got brakes? No, you got reverse though. Come on, Shane.
The tyres are flat too, which doesn't help. Or a little bit flat. I'm not going to
Pump them up anymore because they're that old.
They're that old.
I'm glad you're driving and not me. Jesus. It's like an Austin Powers turn on that little golf cart. Oh, we made it.
Oh, that was hard work. Oh, hang on.
I know, don't go in reverse. We're going to go forwards.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right.
Oh, that's better. Now easy to steer. Now hear that noise?
Wop, wop, wop,
That's
wop,
because first gear is straight cut.
Okay.
All these old transmissions.
Did you see the little sticker on the Speedo there that says do not go over 60 kilometres per hour?
Yeah, I did see that.
Great big stickers, don't do it.
Yeah. It'll fold in half. I doubt it, not with this
It's
chassis.
60 miles per hour, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not kilometres, sorry.
Right, let's see if it goes in the top. Yep,
We have top.
we have top. And it pulls.
And it pulls?
Yep.
Do you reckon the motor's in shock because it hasn't been driven in so long? It's gone, oh my God.
Probably. Gears back, not a problem.
So we've got
I can't go
gearboxes
first.
good.
I can't do first, but
No, not until you stop.
yeah.
And the
Let's
reverse it
test
in
the
here.
brakes. Brakes aren't good.
The brakes aren't good? No, I'm not
No,
surprised.
we're still slowing down though.
Brakes are like water, wouldn't they? The brake fluid would be like water now?
Probably. Didn't feel good.
Didn't feel good.
No, anyway. We'll
Felt
reverse.
spongy.
Nah, they're all the way to the floor. It's slowed it down gradually, but
Sorry.
if we were out in the main road, it would be very dangerous. So I think this will be its last drive until we fix the brakes. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Now, because I'm going to turn
Oh,
into here.
there's a gutter. This isn't a four-wheel drive.
Nah, it's a big machine.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, full lock. Can you look out
Like
the other
that?
side? Make sure we don't hit a boulder.
Oh, no, I think you're good. We're good. Are we good? We're good. Yep. All good. Yep. Plenty of room. You made it.
Back in first gear. Turn the wheel.
The Ambos back in the day must have been really muscular.
No, they didn't have. They had cross-ply tyres that were that wide.
Okay.
This got tyres that wide. You know,
Yes,
this has
okay.
got bloody 245s in the front, 255s on the rear. It's a lot of tyre for an old girl like this.
Yeah, but
Now,
they would have had to have carted around the stretchers and whacked them in the back too.
Oh yeah, true. But
Done all of that
surprisingly, it's driving good. So
What do you reckon? You're scared, aren't you? Because there's no brakes.
yeah, he looked a lot better before he went for a test drive. But you know what? You can drive a car without brakes as long as there's no one around.
As long as you don't want to stop.
Well, we're in an industrial estate,
No, we got
On
trade
a-
plate on, and we need to test it.
and it's a public holiday. No one's around, so.
Very good.
Right, that's flat to the floor.
Oh, it's a powerhouse.
Oh yeah, gonna break speed limits with this. That's for sure.
This poor little motor needs to move, what, at least 3.5, 4 ton this thing would be.
Yeah.
The
that's right.
chassis, when we get it up on our new hoists, which will be able to handle this weight,
Yeah.
we'll give you a look at the chassis. It's pretty impressive.
Oh, the chassis is massive.
Yeah.
Why do you see the size of the Exeter? Oh, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Like, so over-engineered, it's a joke, you know.
It's insane.
So anyway, I'll go forwards this time.
You're going to go forwards?
Yeah. Actually, no, I'll go this way.
Oh, don't change your mind.
Yeah, I'll change my mind.
Uh-oh, it's all that
So
steering.
if I go up into here, I don't have to use reverse.
Oh my God.
I just push the clutch in and let the car roll back all by itself, and all I have to do... Sorry, I forgot.
The speed, no brakes?
Yeah, no brakes. Oh, the brakes are working.
Handbrake, you got handbrake.
No, the brakes are working. Just not very well. Right. Right, here we go. Back to the floor. Powerhouse.
Yeah. All of the horses.
Oh yeah.
Show them what. I don't think you're going to be able to see
Speedo
the
doesn't
Speedo.
work. We're doing 0.
We're doing 0.
Yeah.
I was trying to get the stickers on the Speedo that said don't go over 60.
Yeah, it's a very interesting sort of warning stickers, obviously, because it's a ambulance. They, you know, and there's probably because they got the passengers in the back and safety and all that. And
They don't want the door to swing open and the passenger and on the stretcher to go flying down the road.
no, definitely not.
No? That'll be interesting.
That was a pretty cool drive.
It was a pretty cool drive.
Yeah. All this holes and stuff is a bit.
That'll probably be for like where they had the radio.
Yeah, I reckon.
So
If we
put a
talk
CV into it.
We'll post this up on the American Pontiac sites and see if
Anybody's got any parts for these old ambulances?
yeah, or they can put us in touch with someone that can help us out with the missing badges and stuff for it. Yeah, it'd be fantastic to get it back to its original sort of glory, you know.
Yeah. Very good.
It is a big.
Come on, you can do it. Come on, muscles.
Oh, it's
muscles.
much easier when it's moving, I'll tell you.
It's muscles. Just pretend it's moving. You can do it.
Pretend.
Well, I can fix your power steering. We'll put front runners on it. That'll be it.
We'll put crossbars back on it.
No.
Oh yeah,
Too
crossbars.
big, long a car
Big
to
white
put
crossbars.
crossbars
Big
on it.
fat gangster
No,
wobbles.
I reckon we just need. Yeah, maybe some gangster white walls like your Pontiac on my Pontiac. That'd be cool.
Wow, that's hard
Come
to
on,
steer.
you can do it. Get
My
it.
56 is way easier to steer than this.
Yes, but
Way
it
easier.
isn't. It doesn't have wheels that are this wide. It's got those really cool white walls on it, and it doesn't weigh. It's not a fat girl.
Oh yeah, this is a fat girl.
This is a fat girl. So
Get it back in the
she's
bus.
got a big butt.
Oh yeah.
All right, cool. Next time maybe we'll have it up on the hoist, hey?
Yep.
Let us know what you think in the comments below. See ya.
Wow, what a workout.
If you like this video, don't forget to click like and leave a comment. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and click the notification bell. If you like the t-shirts that you see the crew wearing, there's a link in the description below where you can grab some for yourself. Thanks for watching.